So, if like me, you've ever wondered what it's like to take a bus from the city of Maturin in Venezuela all the way to the nation's capital, Caracas, well, you're in luck, because that's what we're doing today, guys. Just sat here on a coach and we're about to take a long overnight trip. I've got Millie and Ethan over here in the front. As you can see, Ethan's waving his hand. And yeah, I don't know what we'll see, but you guys know I'm sharing my adventures here in Venezuela, so this is part of it. Waiting on the bus now, getting ready to take off. You can see people out here all lining up to get on the bus, getting all their tickets ready. Obviously, we got here nice and early to make sure the journey is as comfortable as it possibly can be. But yeah, now we're gonna sit here for the 6, maybe 8 hours it takes us. It's an overnight bus, maybe even longer. I know from past experience, traveling to Caracas via bus really depends on many factors: the driver, the conditions of the road, the weather, etc, etc. The list goes on. So yeah, look guys, we're in for a long night. Let's just hope it's as comfortable as possible. But anyway, let's head to Caracas. So you can see, like a lot of things in Venezuela, it's seen better days. This bus, it's a very old bus. I remember traveling on these buses, you know, 15 years ago with Millie, and thinking they were quite nice back then. And that was 15 years ago. They were a little bit older, but I was quite impressed. I thought, man, these are bigger and spacier and seem to be better than the coaches in Australia, the long distance coaches. They've got little televisions up here that we used to watch movies on a long time ago. I doubt they run these days though, because as you may be aware, a lot of things have changed in Venezuela from 15 years back. So yeah, I don't really know what to expect this trip. It's probably just going to be no television, no movie, just straight through to Caracas. We may stop along the way though. If we do, I'll show you guys all the stops. We may stop for some dinner. I dare say we will. We'll stop somewhere. I'll get out, I'll take the camera out when we get there and show you guys all the stops along the way. But other than that, it's going to be just more or less a look out the window. And as I said, right now we're just waiting. You can see the people still out here, all lining up, waiting to get on the bus. And that's it, guys. I was going to mention as well, look, if you do get on a bus, if you are planning to travel by a bus through Venezuela, which I've done quite extensively years ago when I used to travel here, me and Millie used to travel quite a bit through the bus. On the bus, whenever we'd have to travel to Caracas, etc., we'd always take a bus, one of these overnight buses. I recommend bring a blanket, bring a sweater, bring warm clothes, because they put their air conditioner on. It is freezing. After a few hours, you absolutely freeze to death here. Even though Caracas is really warm, you get out of the bus and you'll be like, from the heat, you'll almost die. But yeah, on the bus you need to have long pants. You know, I've got a sweater with me as well. If you can bring a blanket, because yeah, you're in for 6 hours at least of sitting here freezing your ass off if not. Okay guys, so just a little heads up. Anyway, let's sit back and enjoy the ride now. So we were meant to leave at around 5:30. It's now 6:15 and we still haven't left. There's been guys who control the bus coming in and out constantly, counting how many people and recounting how many people and asking questions. Is this person here? Is this person? How many places? Do you have your ticket? Just, yeah, it seems really unorganized so far. But hey, like I said, you know, this is Venezuela. It's nothing we're not used to. So I think the company we're traveling with, I'm pretty sure, is Occidental. Let's hope it's a smooth journey. Let's hope this is just standard procedures. But yeah, so we're still here at the terminal. Now, I mentioned that it gets cold on these buses, and I can tell you even before we've taken off, it's already freezing. And if you just look up here, look, you can already see the frost is forming on the glasses there. But yeah, you can also notice by now it's dark outside, and we still haven't moved anywhere. So I'm hoping we'll get away soon. Finally, it's just gone 6:30 and we're finally pulling out of the station, and it's time to say goodbye to Maturín for a few days. and we head back on Monday. So 3 days in Caracas for us, guys. So now leaving Maturín. So yeah, it's freezing. We've just stopped at our first little stop-off point, which I'm pretty sure is Punta de Mata. It's been a few years since I've been out this way, well, about 10 years actually. But yeah, I'm 90% sure we're at Punta de Mata, though I can't really say. We've been travelling for about an hour and a bit now, about an hour and 10. So yeah, we've still got a long way to go. But yeah, this is our first little point. As I said, it is quite cold. Probably if you're going to travel by bus in Venezuela, I would recommend a warm jumper and probably a blanket as well. Really neat that I've got a blanket. They're sound asleep, but I'm suffering a bit here, even though I have long pants, shoes, socks, and this hoodie jumper. It's probably not quite enough. But anyway, here we are, guys. Punta de Mata. I'd imagine another 6 hours or so to go. Hola.
No, así, di hola.
Alrighty. We just made it to a pit stop. Go to the toilet, grab a bite to eat, and stretch. And the bus is freezing cold. And yeah, and yeah, I can't stretch my legs out properly. Like my legs don't stretch all the way, so it's like a form of torture. Sad, really. Anyway, we'll see if we can grab a bite to eat and find the toilets wherever the hell they are. I just had to go for a quick pee break, but just check out how pretty it is here, guys. We got the nice Christmas decorations over here. Go back over here and find Millie. And I just told her, yeah, give me whatever to eat, so I'll grab a bite to eat. Yeah, it just feels good to stretch and get out of that freezing cold bus for a little while. Millie's still in line here, so might as well just have a bit of a look around, guys. I don't know where we are, but the time is 11:20 at night now, so I'm not sure if we're getting close or not. You guys can see over there, there's some houses up on hills. I don't think they're not the barrios of Caracas just yet. Barrios of Caracas are a lot higher, a lot taller, so I think we're getting close. We're just getting into sort of more hilly area. Yeah, and more condensed as well. So I'll ask Millie where we are, but I don't know, I'm hoping we're getting close to Caracas, but also you don't want to arrive to Caracas at this time of night either. You'd want to get there in the morning, because yeah, Caracas of a night time can be a bit dangerous to get around. So you can see here, buses are filling up with petrol, and I wasn't going to get out the stretch, but the guy said, you know, there's 5 buses in front, so have a look. There you go, yeah. That bus is all the way down there, and check out the petrol station. You've got, I think, only 1 pump working. So things aren't looking too good in old Venezuela, and that'd be to do with the sanctions, I'd say. We're still waiting. Me and Ethan is just here. Millie's at the window getting served fine, but I don't know, the person keeps disappearing. It's a bit of a process. There's a few little empanadas by the look of it. That's what we're going to have. Anyway, we'll get there. Here's hoping. Actually, what I've just noticed, well, what Ethan's just pointed out to me is, you guys won't be able to see, but up behind those buses up there, there's a faint distance of a huge mountain. So that tells me that, along with a few little lights you can see over there, that tells me that, yeah, we're close to Caracas. We're not far at all. Maybe an hour out, because yeah, there's huge mountains all around us, so we're really close to the destination, I'd say. Finally, it looks like Millie's got the payload. Old mate's not too bright, not too good at taking orders though. There we go, bottle of water, bottle of juice, and some empanadas by the look of it. Oh, I think old Rubber Guts here is getting back in the line. he wants another one. And we're on, thank God. Come on. Water. Okay, time to grab a seat, grab some food. Yeah, check it out guys, if you can see down there. It's a bit dark for the GoPro to pick up, but those are the favelas down there guys, if you can see, yeah, through the trees and stuff over there. Anyway, time to sit down and have some food. There'll be a seat here to eat. Yep. Empanada it is. So let's see what we got. Look like chicken. Oh, chicken. Check it out guys, nice steaming hot, at least cooked fresh. Punta. Huh? Mucho. So we're not close to Gracias, Millie says. I thought we were. Oh, we're not. Por acá montañas. ¿Eh? So Millie says, yeah, we still got a way, a fair while to go. We're not even close yet. ¿Dónde estamos entonces? Huh? Huh? Yeah, we don't know where we are. I think we're close. Millie says we're not. Very greasy, but when you're this hungry. So to say, we didn't eat before we got on the bus. That was our mistake. So I was starving and cold. Torture on there. So small reply. A slight reprise, and we go back on. Okay, I'm on my next one now, half eaten one of Ethan's, and it's a sausage one, Billy tells me. sausage and cheese, and it's not great. In Venezuela there's really nice empanadas to die for, and then there's servo station, like any servo food, same as servo food in Australia. It's yeah, servo empanadas. These are just rubbish, but food's food, man. We're starving. I'm guessing they're probably expensive as well. ¿Son costosos, mami? No? Yeah, more expensive than usual as well. And it's shittier than usual. But look how greasy. I don't know if you guys can see. Anyway, food's food at this stage, man. Alrighty, we're back on the bus. Had to run to make it. Well, we're back here now. That's it. Bit of a squeeze to get back on the bus, but here we are. Okay, much better. Falta poco, ¿no?
Todavía falta.
¿Ah?
Todavía falta.
Sí, falta mucho. My friend here. ¿Cómo se llama?
¿Yo?
¿Cómo se llama?
Alexandra.
Alexandra, my friend Alexandra. So feeling. Sí. Yeah, my travel buddy, her little boy. So anyway guys, we're back on the bus. We've still got a fair way to go. So I guess it's put the hoodie back on and go to sleep back on the freezing cold bus for a while. That's it. Yeah, put it back on and back to sleep, I think guys. Good night. Just on the board on the outside of Caracas. Well, we made it. We're in Caracas. Just over there is where it starts the big barrio of Petari. We're just here in the terminal. So I'll take you guys for a quick walk in to where we've arrived. Minnie's already in here and Ethan are in here. So you can see here, there's our big map of all Caracas, guys. So yeah, I don't know exactly where we are on that map, but anyway guys, look, we've arrived, we're safe, we're here in the bus terminal where we're going to have to wait until around 5 or 6, I think it's 5 now actually no, yeah, so it's 20 to 5, we'll probably wait here until about 6:30, I don't know, probably, yeah, or a bit past 6, until the train station's open and stuff, and still there's a bit of movement out on the streets. Because yeah, Caracas isn't a place where you want to be roaming around, you know, at 4:40 in the morning. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the little bus ride video. If you did, make sure you give it a like, hit the thumbs up for me. You know that guys, if you're not subscribed by now, you should be, so you can follow me on all my adventures. And that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, peace out.